And Pakistan's Foreign Minister Bilawal Zardari said it was difficult to speak to India due to issues related to Kashmir. These comments and Pakistan's apparent unwillingness to talk came even as calls to allow imports from India are on the rise. On Thursday, the Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industry urged the government to allow imports of raw cotton, vegetables, fruits, grains and other essentials through the Indo-Pakistan border at Wagah. Representatives of industry said there was a shortage of all these products. Now, one spokesperson also said that the opening of the Wagah border would help meet Pakistan's flood needs within the shortest possible time and at competitive rates. The spokesperson also said that the importing from India would also better Pakistan's balance of payment situation compared to importing from countries that were further away and would thus impose higher logistical costs. The Shehbaz Sharif government has taken a defined stance against suggestions of Indian aid. The foreign minister stated on Friday that Pakistan had not sought help from India and they were helping their own people. Estimates suggest that 65% of Pakistan's food crops, including 80% of its wheat and rice, have been completely swept away during the floods. More than 3 million livestock have died. In the face of a looming food crisis, Pakistan's posturing could lead to further turmoil.